Cytoxcar.
After years of anticipation, Honda has finally brought back one of its most iconic roadster models, the all-new 2025 Honda S2000. Since its initial launch in 1999, the Honda S2000 has been a favorite among car enthusiasts for its blend of high performance, sporty design, and unforgettable driving experience. Now, the 2025 model arrives with modern updates while maintaining the classic essence that made it so beloved. The Honda S2000 was first introduced to celebrate Honda's 50th anniversary and quickly earned praise for its powerful engine and sharp handling. Powered by a 2.0-liter, four-cylinder VTEC engine, the original Roadster could reach impressive speeds without sacrificing driving comfort. In the latest model, Honda offers significant updates with a more powerful turbocharged engine and hybrid technology, making it eco-friendly without losing its thrill behind the wheel. In terms of design, the all-new 2025 Honda S2000 retains the aerodynamic lines of the original generation, but with a futuristic touch. The sleeker, more aggressive body features modern LED lights and larger alloy wheels, giving it a sportier and more sophisticated appearance. The interior has also been redesigned with premium materials and cutting-edge infotainment technology, offering a more comfortable and luxurious driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda S2000 is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine capable of producing over 350 horsepower. Paired with a mild hybrid system, this Roadster delivers outstanding acceleration while remaining fuel-efficient. With a 6-speed manual transmission, drivers can enjoy a more authentic driving experience, similar to the first generation. The return of the Honda S2000 in 2025 is certainly exciting news for loyal fans and sports car enthusiasts alike. Combining a rich history with advanced technology, this latest S2000 is not only a tribute to the past, but also a strong statement of Honda's innovation in the modern automotive world.